Hi everyone. Today we're going to be covering an important feature for just about every business modeler, data import. In this video, we'll import a text file into Quantrix Modeler, and you'll see how you can take a two-dimensional dataset and make it multidimensional. We're going to be following along with one of our training models. When you open Modeler, you'll find a whole section dedicated to training. For this video, we'll be following along with part of Lesson 3. There's a section within that lesson called Data Import. Additionally, in that section, we've linked to a page on our website to assist you with this topic. We're going to be following along with the instructions found there. On that page, you'll also find a sample text file you can use to practice making a data import. For reference, this is what the text file looks like. Okay, let's get started. We've kept the training open. This will allow you to keep the instructions readily available if you want. We'll start the data import. We'll go to Data, Import Data, Text File. Now we can browse for a file. We'll select the Summary Visitor Data. A new window appears, and we can see a preview of our data. We'll click OK. This has opened a new data import matrix. We'll drag it to the side so we can keep our instructions visible. We can take data from the left side of the data import matrix and drag it to the right to create our structure. For example, we can select Year and make it a category, and then drag recreational visitors into the empty cells. You'll notice that each year is calculating a sum, but if we select the dropdown, we can change that if we want. Now, let's create another dimension. We'll drag month to the right, and just like that, we have another category. We can also select multiple fields at once. Shift down arrow will allow us to select what we want, and then everything can be dragged over at the same time. You also may have noticed we have a filter section at the top. We can move fields into that section to refine our view. In this example, let's simply say we want the year to be less than 2020. Remember, because this is Quantrix, our category tiles can still be moved from one axis to another and placed into our filter tray. You can see here our data now stops at 2019. We can also rename our dimensions. Additional settings can be found down here. For example, selecting what to do when items in data are no longer present. And once we're happy with our data import configuration, we can click this icon in the bottom right to finish. That's it. We've completed our data import. Feel free to click that same icon in the bottom right if you'd like to make any changes to your data import in the future. Hopefully you've been able to see how powerful this feature can be and how quickly you can transform a 2D data set into a multidimensional model. If you're new to Quantrix and want to learn more about how your data can be imported into Modeler, please reach out for a demo. We'd be happy to talk with you and learn more about your use case. Additionally, we offer a free 30-day trial so you can test out our software for yourself. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.